Sikk is a grinding accelerator. So what it does is it keeps diamonds cool and introduces abrasion onto the floor. To make your Sikk go further, it's best to wet the floor with water first. Then we'll mix the product and introduce it to the floor and spread with a broom. These are the active particles here that create the abrasion. The rest is for cooling. A 10-litre kit of Sikk will get you somewhere between 100 square metres and 200 square metres. The difference lies in how much material you're removing. Sikk can be used wet or dry. Can it be reactivated? Absolutely. All you need to do is spray another application of water on top.